of man and nature exploration screen here. Here we can get immersed in 3 interactive experience screens of changes in the 4 seasons traveling around Beijing and the Gongfu Instagram. 4 season changes shows the natural landscape of spring, summer, autumn, and winter. According to the change of time, the natural law shows the climate changes of warm spring, hot summer, cool autumn, and cold winter, and the germination in spring, growth in summer, harvest in autumn, and the storage in winter. According to the theory of traditional Chinese medicine, different seasons have different effects on all aspects of human body. The Huangdi's inner classical medicine clearly states that the 5 internal organs are corresponding to different seasons. The liver corresponds to spring, the heart corresponds to summer, the spleen corresponds to the late summer, the lung corresponds to autumn, and the kidney corresponds to winter. Therefore, according to different seasons, the health care focus should also be different. The 4 seasons retain their spirit and vitality, avoid the invasion of diseases, and live a longer life. Traveling around Beijing shows Beijing's natural landscape and cultural style. As the capital of a great country, the beauty of Beijing lies in its atmosphere. The majestic Forbidden City and the grand Tiananmen Square shows her magnificency. The Summer Palace, the Forbidden City, and the Temple of Heaven have royal elegance. The Great Wall is the backbone of this ancient Oriental nation. Over the years, people of all ethnic groups have created a splendid culture here. Beijing is also a modern international metropolis. The 2008 Beijing Olympic Games attracted worldwide attention. A number of Olympic landmark buildings, such as the Bird's Nest, the Water Cube, once amazed the world. Now, Beijing has become the only city in the world that has hosted both the Summer Olympic Games and the Winter Olympic Games. Welcome to Beijing again. Here is a Gongfu Instagram. Gongfu Instagram brings the traditional Chinese health cultivation skill. 5 mimic animal exercise is a set of health cultivation and fitness skills created by Hua Tuo, a medical expert in the Eastern Han Dynasty who inherited the ancient conduction health preservation technique. It observed the active posture of birds and animals and used the image and movements of tigers, deer, bears, apes, birds, and other animals. According to the operation law of yin and yang, visceral, meridians, qi, and blood in traditional Chinese medicine, the 5 movements of 5 mimic animal exercise have their own characteristic and exercises, but they are also a whole. If we keep practicing it, it will no doubt help us to tonify our qi and blood, adjust the functions of viscerals, dredging the meridians.